everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 30th of March to the 3rd of April 2026. On Monday, the Tabete's uncles finally push Felicia to breaking point. At the Sedibeng, joy tends to disgrace. Meanwhile, Nobuhle pull a stand that encircles Fistus and Ishmael on Tuesday. Hierarchy is tested in the Tabete house. It's doomsday at the Sedibeng. The man cave is infiltrated by time bomb on Wednesday. The Tabete uncles and Bongo clash in a fairy showdown that threatened to tear the family apart. Betrayal and bitterness leaves Maruna stranded between love and ambition, and Fistos protest his stomach from Nobuhle on Thursday. Tempers erupt as Wendy's Ferry shakes revelation record. Nobuhle hides her current living condition behind a lie, and Felicia's joy of an unexpected arrival brings levity to the Tabete mansion on Friday. The Tabetes revels in Passover with laughter and music, while Zachariah forces her family to confront a costly decision, and Nobuhle and Ishmael try to hide their living situation. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.